Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of interior design and focusing on the one of favorite pieces of furniture. Console tables. Specifically, we will exploring some adorable console table ideas that can add both style and functionality to your space. So if you are ready to get inspired, let's jump right in. Console tables come in all shapes, sizes and style, making them incredibly versatile pieces for any home. Whether you are looking to enhance your entryway, spruce up your living room, or add flair to your hallway, there is console table out there for you. Let's start with the modern taste, sleek lines, minimalist design. Modern console tables are perfect for those who love a clean and contemporary look. Opt for a table with metallic accents or a high gloss finish to really make a statement in your space. If you are more into that cozy rustic vibe, then a farmhouse style console table might be just what you need. Look for tables made from reclaimed wood or with distressed finishes for that charming lived-in feel. You can even add some woven baskets underneath for extra story and a touch of farmhouse flair. Vintage inspired console tables are a fantastic way to add a character and personality to your home. Look for tables with ornate details such as curved legs or intricate patterns. Pair it with some vintage decor pieces like antique lamps or framed artwork for a curated electric look. Vintage inspired console tables are a fantastic way to add a character and personality to your home. Look for a table with ornate details such as curved legs or intricate patterns. Pair it with some vintage decor pieces like antique lamps or framed artwork or a curated electric. And finally, let's not forget about functionality. Some console tables offer more than just surface space. They can double as desks, bar, or even dining tables when needed. It's all about finding a piece that only looks great but also serves your specific needs.